Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the former IBM Country Club, which is now currently starting demolition. It took a long time to get to this point, and for a while I didn't think it was going to happen, but they've actually started demolition. Before we get started, if you guys could do me a big favor and give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe down below, it'd really help me and the channel out. Also, shout out to my Patreon supporters. Love you guys, big help to the channel. If you want to become a Patreon supporter or just support the channel in general, links are always down in the description of the videos. So yeah, let's get started. Let's take a look. So they've got the rent-a-fence put up around the facility and warning tape that there's asbestos removal going on in the building. We're up near the former pool area right there. Looks like La Chase is doing the demolition. So these are some of your last looks at what's left of the eastern side of the facility here. And yeah, there's the boarded up main entrance. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit through here. There's like a tiny little gap between the fence and the bush. It smells like fire damage. So yeah, they've already kind of cleaned the site up a lot, because this had all bushes and stuff in front of it the last video I did. They've taken the first few whacks at the facility already. And man, it smells horrible over here. Like knocking out that wall released the Kraken or something, you know? It smells really bad. Like, if that's what it smells like outside here, I can't imagine what the inside of that building must have smelled like before they started demolition. So down there, over to the side is the old tennis and field facilities, whatever you want to call it. And then this building right here, they've already knocked a very significant chunk of the building away. You can see all the HVAC stuff up there in the ceiling. Looks like this place had a really, really big attic. And there's the basement level down there. But yeah, you can really tell this place has suffered over the years from lack of anything, really. Lack of any activity, lack of maintenance. But yeah, there's your first couple, I'd say this is your first half day's worth of work right here for the bulldozer. can't really see into the basement too well. And they've got this water cannon over here to keep dust and I assume asbestos down. Oh look, there's like a little doorway right there. If you know what that doorway went to in the let us know down in the comments section. But yeah, it's there for now. And then yeah, let's take a look over here in the parking lot. I'm gonna try to keep the sun glare to a minimum. It's really kind of sad that the sun sets before 5 o'clock now, or close to it anyway. But yeah, they've got some really large Volvo excavators here. This one's got a little cage on the front of it to keep the debris from hitting you, I guess. And there's another one up there with the rest of the building. Then there's this monster guy. I'm pretty sure this bulldozer was at the downtown Boscov's garage demolition for a while, because this is the one with the super long reach arm right there. And you got a little mini bobcat thing over there, and another excavator. That one's got like the pinchy claw on it. Water truck over there, still leaking water. So yeah, well again, if you guys liked the video, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up and clicking subscribe, and we'll see you in future updates.